How many locations would you say you have right now?
Locations, I have about 4 locations on the way.
How old are you?
I am 27.
27. 4 locations, making passive money.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Armand Cartwright, owner and founder of Fortress Financial. We've been knowing each other since, what, middle school? It's crazy. Long time.
It's been a minute. I used to take his ankles. Now we out here doing big things in life. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, that's true.
First and foremost, I want to give you your flowers. I appreciate you giving me your time today. I love what you're doing because we need more people like you. Love how you being positive and, you know, taking time to give me some game. This is my first time learning this. I have no knowledge of what the ATMs, but you know, you sell product, I sell product.
Yeah.
But the difference is everybody uses your product, no matter the location, no matter the language, race, ethnicity, nothing. Everybody uses your product, so that's why I think this is so important. So who can do this?
Well, that's a great question. Anybody can do this. It doesn't take any lessons, contract, certificates, anything like that.
You said anybody can do this?
Anybody can do this.
I need you guys to like and subscribe right now.
Anybody can do this. Any ethnicity, any contractors, no one needs to have a contract certificate or anything just to be certified to do this. You can just say, hey, I know businesses that take cash only. I know businesses that don't take cash only, but I feel like it'll be a good business to be in for an ATM, you know, because some businesses maybe take Cash App or Apple Pay all the time, but even those apps still cost you to have your money immediately, instantly. And I want my money now. So when you have an ATM inside those companies, you're able to help them provide them money and help yourself provide money too as well.
Right, so you use that when you negotiating or you come in contact with the owner, you tell them how you will provide the value to them and why they should go with you to be the best person.
Exactly.
Okay.
I always give them an offer of 10%, 15%, 30%, my max. Anyone that goes above 30%, I don't give them none of my net proceeds. Net proceeds is part of your profits that you make back. You understand? So when you get your profits, you get them some of your net proceeds that after expenses that you take care of, you give them your profit, which is 15%, 10%, or 30%.
Okay. So when you first getting started out, what advice would you give to somebody like me? If I want to get into this, what advice would you give me starting out?
My best advice to give people when they first start out is definitely start up your LLC, regardless of whether if this is something that you actually want to do or you don't want to do.
Well, what's an LLC?
LLC is limited liability company. It only costs, in Michigan, it costs $50 to start, but $25 annually after.
That's gas money, y'all.
Yeah.
That's gas money.
Yeah, no, exactly. Now the crazy thing about after your LLC, you get your EIN number.
What's that?
Employer Identification Number, which is just like a SSN, a social security number for yourself, but it's for your company. Now that is for free only. So
where can you go get that at?
You can always go online. There's multiple people that you can follow on YouTube. One of the people that I follow a lot is Timothy Williams Jr. He definitely helped me get my EIN number up for free. There's a lot of fake sources out there, but if it costs you any type of money, that's always fake.
IRS.gov. Go get your EIN. IRS.gov.
Yep, definitely. Thank you for giving that resource too. After that, you get a business bank account, which is very important. In the future, you can go to Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, any of those bank accounts to create a business bank account with those LLC and EIN numbers. And then after that, that's when you can contact resources. You can get your ATM offer up. You know, these are the cheaper ways. Offer up people who are selling their ATMs on Facebook Marketplace. You can even go to more expensive route of, okay, let me just find out, are there other resources out there? There are multiple resources out there. And I'll give you even those 2 resources that I use, which is Cardtronics and ATM Depot, right? So really keep those businesses in mind for when in the future when you really want to start your business, but you need those qualifications to purchase your ATM.
Okay, so we got, first thing first, we got LLC,
Yes, sir.
EIN,
Yes, sir.
bank account, business
Yes.
bank account.
Yes, sir.
Then grab the ATM, not the location, just ATM first.
Well, that's a great question. You have to get your location first, because the ATM business will not ship to that location unless they know it's for real location.
Okay.
Now, if you do want to get the ATM first, that is possible through OfferUp. So OfferUp, they ship it to your house. They ship it to any location that you are available to get in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So they ship it to your house. If you want to hold on to it and then get the location and then get the contract signed by the location, your own personal contract, then definitely take that route if you feel more comfortable with it. A lot of people do. But also with the websites of Cardtronics and ATM Depot, they rather you have the location first, then they ship it to the location
Nice.
first.
Okay. So, what when you looking at a location, what makes you say, or when you looking at a location, what makes you say, this is a good location? I want a place right here. What do you look for?
Definitely cash only businesses, as in barbershops, salons, nail salons, hair salons, even cigar bars. You'd be surprised there. Dispensaries nowadays only take cash only in certain
There's a
locations.
million dispensaries.
It's a million dispensaries. And as of right now, since some states don't support it fully, the banks really don't support it fully either. So that can really lead on to you being more profitable, because more of them just take cash only regardless. So definitely keep those in mind, top locations. But also, if you don't see cash only businesses, you really be surprised, as convenience stores, gas stations, arcades. They may take card, but they also take cash too, because you need dollars, like laundromats, to do what you need to do in there, to clean the laundry, all that stuff.
Okay. Would you say this business is passive?
Definitely passive income.
How much work is required with this?
So for certain locations, I go once every month to
Hold on.
Yeah.
You go once every month?
Once every month. So every 30 days. So even if you work a 9 to 5, I do life insurance too as well. If you work a 9 to 5 throughout life, right, you still have time, which could possibly take like an hour or 15 minutes, depending on your distance of drive, for you to change out the money and leave.
Wow.
So 15 minutes every month, which is my work day for ATM Business.
Wow. So how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for a year and a half.
Year and a half.
Yes,
How
sir.
many, and you don't have to put this out there because I know it's
Yeah.
personal, but how many locations would you say you have right now?
Locations, I have about 4 locations on the way.
How old are you?
I am 27.
27. 4 locations, making passive money. One you refill once a month?
Yeah, once a month at different locations. So really, when you have 4 locations, you got to refill at different moments at different times. So you're really filling up 4 times each month.
Yo, if you guys want to know more about this, please get with Armand. Where can they find you at?
You can find me on Instagram, which is also Armand Cartwright, ARMAND. Last name Cartwright, CARTWRGHT, or just type in ACE, ACE__34 on Instagram. All my content will always help you to lead in the right direction to build up your own business.
And do you do mentorships? Do you have any programs as well?
Yeah, but I hold a consultation fee of just me and you talking. I give out PowerPoint slides of a step-by-step process. I give you all my direct resources of what I use, my contact information, how much does it cost, all these things, what steps to take during those steps. You can always contact me at any time, even my personal number and email address. So all those things.
So you heard him. I'm going to leave his link in the description to his website and his Instagram, so you guys can follow him on all his socials. Thank you for coming out and sharing that game, man. I really appreciate it. And if you guys are new here, my name is Anthony. Like and subscribe. Welcome to the Grind Motive. Thank you. We'll see you guys in the next one.